Hello friends, I have here OpenSUSE Tumbleweed installed on this computer. Yes, it's installed on the hardware, so it's not a virtual machine. And what I'm gonna show you, you can do it on almost any Linux distribution, which is installing Debian on your existing Linux system. The first thing you need to do is to install the package, which exists on almost any Linux distribution, which is debootstrap. This package, I have it installed, so I don't need to install it again for you. Just run this command if you have OpenSUSE. If you have let's say Red Hat based distribution, you can run dnf install debootstrap. If you have Debian based and you still want to install Debian on it, you can install it by running apt install as root. Of course, all these commands you run them. You run apt install debootstrap. If you're using Arch Linux, you can run pacman -uppercase s debootstrap. If you're using Gentoo or Gentoo based systems, you can install this package by running the command emerge debootstrap. The other distributions also, it mostly exists. I remember I saw it almost on any Linux distribution. If I didn't mention yours, I'm sorry. The next thing you should do is making a directory for the installation. You make a directory where you pull or download and install the packages, and then you do the steps I'm gonna show you. Let's call our directory Debian. I'm gonna call it Debian stable. I'm gonna choose Debian stable. I guess it's with the version 12. Bookworm, call it this, and then we run the command as root debootstrap. Alright, so I found myself forced to bring the wiki page from Debian for this package. So the command needs to be sudo debootstrap stable. This is going to spit out an error, and we will solve it without any issues. It's not that stable like this. And then let's take it from http:// of course deb.debian.org/debian/. It's gonna spit out an error about the architecture, so we need to make it like this: arch or arc equals emd64, like this. So this may take a while. You wait for it some time until it's done, and then you come back to me and I'll show you the next step to get your Debian working or to access it. Alright, after waiting for a while, and if you're doing like me, we are supposed to find Debian finished installing. If you want me to keep this page for you, I will, but the steps that you find here are not for the case that I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna install Debian in a way that allows me to log into it and have a separate system, and it's gonna have grab and stuff like that. I'm just gonna have it installed on my existing Linux system, and I can choose to it to use it. So my installation is done. Let's clear out the screen. So let's go to Debian stable, cd to it, and then all we need to do is sudo root. We don't need to do cd Debian stable. That's I'm sorry about that, I'm wrong. So we just select Debian here before we do cd or at root we should go back another directory so we can make the command see what's inside. So we do sudo root debian stable. The password. Before that, remember that I have here I have OpenSUSE, I forgot it, sorry. And I was removing a package. If I run zipper, it's gonna run. Here after it's rooted, I can run zipper and it will give me that error because it's no longer the package manager for this root system, which is Debian. Run apt update and prove that our system is working, and then we can run apt upgrade. Yes, I believe I told in a previous video about rooting and it can be how it can be used to achieve different things. One of them is repairing the system. One of them is probably installing the system like in Arch, Gentoo and other Linux distributions, but for the other Linux distributions it's not very common. And one of the things that you can do with rooting is move to another Linux that you install on your existing Linux system. If we try to install a package, for example, before that, htop doesn't exist, we can install htop, for example. I believe also we can install n plus y here. Alright, so htop now. Never mind. N it's working. And what was the other one? Oh, only two. Okay, so let's try another command. Start something else. Thunderbird. Takes some time, but let's try. Yeah, it's a big package. Let's skip it. What else we can install? CPUX. Yeah, still big. Although this is a small package, it's big. For htop there might be some extra steps since it cannot find proc here. Maybe if we mount proc like in Gentoo's installation, it's gonna work. I'm not very sure of the full process of rooting. I believe what I have done is correct. If I made any mistake, of course you can tell me in the comments or anywhere in the social media links that I provided. I guess that's it. We don't need to do anything else except telling you that you can install different packages or different versions of Debian, like old stable, which can be, I guess it's the older version that's still supported, and it's working as you can see. There is also testing, if I'm not mistaken, this, and it's working. And there is also another one, which is, there are many more than I'm gonna tell you here. For Debian stuff, we have old stable, I believe, and it's working as you can see. If you want to check more and more, you can see in ls/usr/share, I guess, and then debootstrap scripts, and you have many options here. You can install some stuff related to Ubuntu stable. This is for Debian. This is also for Ubuntu, not T. I guess it's not in our wall. Cosmic, I don't know what it is. Buster, that's an old version of Debian. I'm not sure if it's still supported or not. And Bookworm, the one that I was running. So if, for example, Bookworm is no longer the newest version, the newest stable version, like the one I ran, which was not old stable, but the one that I ran was this one. This automatically pulled the newest stable version, the most stable or the latest supported stable version, which in this case is Bookworm. Later, if Bookworm is no longer supported as the stable version, maybe it becomes supported in the LTS category, you can simply replace stable here with Bookworm and it's gonna pull it for you. Okay, all you have to do is to run this command with one of the ones here. Select whichever you want and it's gonna pull it for you, and later you can root to it. Okay, I hope that was clear. If I made any mistake, tell me. I'm not very sure of this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and peace.